Tabletop light-up sound machine that grows with baby from newborn to toddler. Sleep expert approved ready, settle, sleep playlist of gentle music, sounds and lights helps baby fall and stay asleep. Lanterns twinkling lights and light projection options becomes comforting nightlight for toddlers. Snuggly Plush Bear toy detaches from lantern for TakeAlong cuddles. For use from newborn baby and beyond. The Fisher-Price Baby Bear Firefly Soother starts as a tabletop sound machine for your nursery with customizable music, sounds, twinkling lights or overhead light projection to help settle your baby for sleep. As your baby grows, the cuddly plush bear detaches for snuggle time while the TakeAlong lantern becomes a comforting nightlight for toddlers. Don't worry, bear, the fireflies will light the way. Top reviews from the United States. Highly satisfactory. I was a little skeptical after reading the negative reviews. I always like to read both, because they address the noise factor. There are two levels of the noise and I do think the two music options, lullaby and zen, are too loud for sleeping. The nature sounds and white noise are conducive to sleep. The projection is visible in the dark without brightening up the entire room and not promoting sleep. The fireflies in the jar setting is beyond cute. I am highly satisfied with it thus far. The plastic seems durable and rugged and is a matte finish which makes it seem higher quality. The plush bear is cute and the right size and fluff for little hands. Strongly recommend.